Okay, students. So, without any delay, let's go into our syllabus. First, I am going to write the syllabus. In case if you people have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. For example, like even if you want any particular thing, you want your explanation in your own language, mother tongue, Telugu or Hindi, you can please feel free to approach me. I'll be uploading the same video in your preferred language also. Okay. So, unit 1. It is matrices. So in matrices you have different topics, types of matrices, symmetric, Hermitian, skew symmetric, skew Hermitian, orthogonal matrices, unitary matrices and rank of matrix by echelon form, I hope my handwriting is legible and understandable. Echelon form. Then you have echelon form, and as well as you have with your normal form also. And you have inverse of non-singular matrices by Gauss. Inverse of non-singular matrices by Gauss-Jordan method. System of linear equations. Solving system of homogeneous and non, that I will write in the next page. You can take this part till here, or you can take a screenshot of it. So next you have solving system of homogeneous and non-homogeneous equation. Homogeneous and non-homogeneous equations. And Gauss elimination method, Gauss-Seidel Hermitian method. Gauss elimination method and Gauss-Seidel. It is iteration method, students. Iteration method. And then like almost these are your first chapter syllabus. So unit 2 syllabus we are going to discuss now. So that is our eigenvalues and eigenvectors. Unit 2 topics are main, first and foremost important. You have a definite question from this topic. Eigenvectors, that is linear transformations and orthogonal transformations. This is chapter name. Topics are linear and orthogonal transformations. Then eigenvalues and eigenvectors and their properties. Eigenvalues and eigenvectors and their properties. Diagonalization of a matrix. Diagonalization of a matrix by Cayley-Hamilton theorem, quadratic forms, and by Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Quadratic forms and nature of quadratic forms. Reduction of quadratic form to canonical forms. Quadratic to canonical forms by orthogonal transformation. Okay. Next comes your unit 3. That is, take a screenshot of it. Next we're going to discuss sequence and series. Your unit 3 is let me change the color for this one. Okay. Let me take a marker. Sequence and series is your unit 3. Okay. And the topics are sequence, definition of a sequence, limit, convergent, divergent, oscillatory sequences, series, in series, this is from series, convergent, divergent, oscillatory series. The same thing will be repeating from here. Convergent, divergent, oscillatory series. Okay. Then series of positive terms. Series of positive terms. Comparison test. comparison test, then you have p test, then you have Allen's ratio, Allen's ratio test, and you have Rabe's test, you have Cauchy's integral test, you have Cauchy's root test, you have logarithms next test, you have alternating series, you have Leibniz rule or Leibniz test, alternating converging series, and you have absolute and conditionally convergence, absolutely and conditionally convergence. So these are the topics you can cover in unit 3. So take a screenshot of it and next our unit is calculus. So in calculus also you have a lot of important topics. Unit 4 is calculus. So in calculus you have mean value theorem, then you have Rolle's theorem, then you have Lagrange's mean value theorem, with their geometrical interpretation, and applications. Cauchy's mean value theorem, Taylor series applications of definite integrals, applications of definite integrals to evaluate surface areas and volumes of revolutions of curves only in Cartesian coordinates, that too. Coordinates, definition of improper integral, then beta and gamma functions and their applications, functions and their applications. So these are the topics you are going to cover in your unit 4 calculus. So please take a screenshot of it. And your unit 5, Unit 5 deals with your multivariable calculus, that is partial differentiation and application. Multivariable, it's also a subpart of calculus only, but it's multivariable calculus, that is partial differentiation. Okay, and applications. Then you have the topics like definitions of limit and continuity. It's very important. Limit and continuity, new ITY. Then partial differentiation, Euler's theorem. Euler's theorem you have in first chapter, second chapter, and here also you have Euler's theorem, total derivative. Then you have Jacobian. Then you have functional dependence. And independence. Then you have maxima and minima, which is very important, of functions of two variables. And the three variables choosing method of using method of Lagrange multipliers. So these are the topics you can cover in Unit 5, and if you want I can suggest you with some good textbooks also in which you can refer actually. So please take a screenshot of this. Now I'll be suggesting you some textbooks. To follow for your IP or whatever, not IP, like for your examinations. First one will be your BS Gravel, and that is your 36th edition 2010, like you can go BS Gravel. It is nothing but your higher engineering mathematics, you can tell. Higher engineering mathematics. It's 36th edition. It's the latest, and buy this one will be some 2010 or something. From that series you can buy anyone, even it's updated also, not an issue. Then your second one, Erwin Kreyszig. It is Kreyszig. Kreyszig. Advanced Engineering Mathematics. Advanced Engineering Mathematics. Here also you can go for some 2006, like this, some 9th edition onwards. It's fine. Next, GB Thomas and RL. GB Thomas and RL Finney. Then you have calculus and analytic geometry. That also you can go for 9th edition, some 2002 like that, by Pearson you can go. So these are all the materials which you can refer, and you can also browse internet, anything also, not an issue. And thing is, finally you have to be benefited at any cost. That is my motto. And you can also share my channel to your friends who are looking for such type of videos. This is especially for engineering first year students and max M1. If you are well versed with this, we'll start max M2 also. Please follow my channel and subscribe. Please press bell icon for 4 more videos. Comment your problems or whatever your opinions. How did you like my video in the comment section, and like video and share it with your friends. So this is all about our session. I hope you all enjoyed it. We'll meet again in our class 2 of M1. So yeah, signing off, your Vignesh. Take care.